And this is me. First I was saying myself, gross. I had these damn hiccups ever since they've been giving me potassium. Put this thing in my nose. It's gonna be a long run for recovery. Don't know why any of this shit happened. It's 3 days, maybe. No. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah. Maybe 5 days in ICU. I'm ready to get the fuck out of here. Got my drink. Some thickener. I can chew on ice chips. Haven't taken a shower. It's disgusting. So, that's me.